looking at the best four daring young men known as the Red Baron Squadron. You might want to get a picture of a beautiful double cascade roll. Oh yeah, up and over the top. They roll out on the 45-degree down line. They'll do the same on this end. One more time, back on the stick. Now as they put those great airplanes on the ground, we gotta cross our fingers. You gotta whisper to Mother Nature, give us a little more ceiling. You bet. We'll be back. Red Baron says thank you again for inviting us to your show, and Gordon Bowman, to work with you is a privilege. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much indeed, Jerry Van Kempen, ladies and gentlemen. And they don't come any more enthusiastic than that, I want to tell you. Jerry will be back, as he just mentioned, a little bit later on, just afternoon today, or actually about 1:15 today, is when the Red Baron Pizza Squadron will be taking to the sky.